Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK950. In this video I'll show you media control buttons functions. Firstly, take a look at the keyboard. Let me zoom the screen in. Use this button to skip to next song or scene, to previous song or scene, and this one to next song or scene. Use this button to play pause. Use this button to mute or unmute your PC. This button to lower volume and this button to increase volume. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.